What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and newest micro cap plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and TONIC holders, it's going to be absolutely bonkers for TONIC in the future whenever the bull run is here. Now, right now, we're going through one of the worst markets, one of the worst bear markets from top analysts. That's what they've been saying. This is one of the worst bear markets, and we are slowly making our way through it. If you're still here, you're gonna be rewarded in the future. If you bagging up and accumulating your TONIC around these levels, it's gonna be absolutely insane what the future will hold. Because remember, guys, like I said in my previous videos, once the Cronos ecosystem does well, projects like TONIC will follow, and crypto.com more than likely is here to stay. Now, there's a lot of fuzz surrounding Binance and CZ. That could be the next exchange that crumbles, but I'm not sure what will happen. If Binance does go down, we could see a 12k Bitcoin, and that would completely crash the market. But there's really no way of telling for sure what could happen in the future. But you know, always be prepared for the unexpected when it comes to crypto, guys. Binance does go down, you'll have extra great prices to scoop up alts that you really believe in, especially if you plan to accumulate more TONIC. But with speculation like this and FUD like this in the space, right after we had that previous capitulation event with SBF, this is why you dollar cost average in, and that way you could manage, you know, your entries on projects. You don't go all in instantly at a great price. You DCA in so you could get even better prices just in case the unexpected happens. Meme Coin Daily, 1,100 subscribers. If you hold TONIC, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. I'll definitely keep covering TONIC on the channel. I can't wait to see what the future will look like when the market finally turns around and we are past this trash market conditions that we have. I can't wait to see it, guys. And when we look at TONIC on CoinMarketCap, we can see 29,366 people have TONIC on their watch list, chilling at that $10 million market cap. 10x to 100x. You cannot rule this out for a project like TONIC. 100x potential is here for TONIC. 137k in 24-hour trade volume, up 222% on the 24-hour, which is great. People are scooping up their TONIC, which is great to see. And again, TONIC is one of the top projects on the Cronos ecosystem. As the Cronos blockchain develops, as it grows, the early movers, the early innovators on the blockchain will definitely do well as time goes by. So yeah, it's gonna be a crazy ride ahead for TONIC. If Binance does go down, that could be the final capitulation that sends Bitcoin to 12k. There's guys on crypto Twitter that I look at called Crypto Capo. He's been calling for 12k, 13k for a minute now. That would be the event that takes us there. But if you've been DCAing into TONIC, there's not gonna be any worries. You're just gonna get a better price if we fall to that level, or the bottom is in on Bitcoin, and then we have time-based capitulation where we stay in a range and just go sideways from 16k to 20k or 19k for a few months, for months on end, and you know, have a complete crab market, just sideways. Everyone is bored, nothing's really going on. Those are the times you accumulate, though. This is the time you accumulate all the best alts you can, TONIC included, right? And yeah, we have that complete crab market. Everyone is bored until we finally flip bullish. Unexpectedly, we flip bullish and then leave all the beers in the dust, pretty much, right? That's what's gonna happen in the future. Super bullish on TONIC and what they're trying to accomplish and achieve. DeFi is definitely the future. We are the competition against the banks. Eventually, it's gonna get to the point where more than likely majority of people are using crypto because of the benefits of crypto, and then the banks will have to, you know, scramble and figure out ways to make use of crypto as well, right? Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and accessing instant-backed loans. Total supplied of Tectonic 281 million, total borrow 124 million. You could generate passive yield on your assets with Tectonic, instant liquidity at your fingertips. Just an absolutely bullish DeFi project, which more than likely will have mass adoption as the Chronos ecosystem starts to flesh itself out, starts to grow, starts to become one of the top leading blockchains in crypto. As crypto.com grows and so does its users, more and more people will take notice of Tonic and be like, huh, this is a project I could take a chance on, and we will see crazy momentum in the future for Tonic. And again, the Tonic team is very smart, very innovative. No crazy, APYs, which is super bullish because it's nothing too inflated, which could completely tank the Tonic price. No crazy 1,000, 2,000% APYs. This is just great stuff to see when you take a look at their app, for example. Tonic has a great team and a very great community. Thank you guys so much for all the support that you guys give on my Tonic videos. I'll do my best to make more as time progresses, because I really want to see the success for this project. I really want to see, when we're bullish again and then we start making new highs and we start just absolutely sending like a rocket ship. I want to be there for that feeling, that euphoria, you know what I'm saying? Like last bull cycle, when there was so much euphoria in the space, it was such a happier time. DeFi projects like Tectonic will carve out their market share and just absolutely take over the space. The Tonic Twitter right now sitting at 54.4k followers. We had a few tweets recently. Tonic fans, we're excited to announce Tectonic Ambassador Program. Ambassador Program meaning you could sign up and be a part of the team to help spread the word, let more and more people know about the project, help other community members in the space. Great stuff to see. I know a lot of people are applying to that just to help push the project forward. A great project like this needs more eyes on it. It needs more and more people to know about it. Great projects always are underrated, but it's only a matter of time for projects that have great use case, great communities, great teams working on the projects, building in the beer. It's only a matter of time until they start to get new eyes, start to get noticed, starts to get that appeal and attention, and then that's when you see projects like these fly. Tweet from Fact Checker: you don't have to buy tons of Tonic tokens all the time. Buy a little bit of them when you can. DCAing is the way to go. $Tonic, just like I said. And he just scooped up a bit of Tonic. This is what you have to do, man. DCA in the beer market. If we go lower, you're still DCAing in, and then whenever we reverse, you'll thank yourself in the future. From Fact Checker once again: I know that the added zero to Tonic looks bad. FTX and Binance have the entire crypto in extreme fear. If you're vaulting Tonic, you are doing it right. Don't forget to DCA. Now, this is the thing, right? The chart has retraced a bit, but like I said earlier in the video, with Binance, there's a lot of speculation and fear that Binance could crash, and if that happens, a lot of alts, a lot of projects will start tanking in price. But if you're DCAing in, you don't have to worry about it, because whenever we do find that true bottom for the market, it could be now, it could be later, you're still DCAing in. Whenever we do find that true bottom, you'll be good, you'll be great, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, keep that in mind, guys. Always keep that in mind. Tonic holders, thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. And if this is your first time hearing about Tonic, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. Everything Tonic and myself will be down in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.